Hello and welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where each week I teach boomers how to use tech to make their lives just a little easier. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to master contacts. I'm going to show you how to add them, how to delete them, how to share them, and give you some other tips that you can use to ensure that you have a good experience using contacts on your iPhone or your iPad. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to locate the contact app on your phone. And it's going to be this gray, blue, orange, and green icon. So you tap on it. Now, if you want to add a contact, it's very simple. You just go to the top where you see that plus sign and you tap on it. Now, we're going to input a name. I'll use first name, please. Second name, subscribe. Subliminal message here. Okay. And then you scroll down. Now we can add a number. And then we can add an email. And then we push done. Now, I've added a contact, but now say I wanted to customize that contact. Say I want to add a photo. So you would go to edit, and then you click add photo. Now you have several options that you can do here. For example, say if you wanted to take a picture, well, you could simply go here, tap on the camera, and then the camera's gonna come up, and then you take the picture, and then you tap use photo. Now that picture will be saved as a contact. The second thing you can do, we're gonna erase that, is you can choose from photos that you have already on the phone. So you tap your photo, and you go down and you choose one. And then you hit done, and that would be the contact. We're gonna hit cancel and look at the other thing that you have. You have memojis. So with memojis, these are basically different animals or people's faces that you can use on it. For example, the memoji here would be this little boy, and you have different styles and different poses that you could use for that. You can go through the list depending upon what you want. Or if you want it to be an animal, you just click on that, and it'll turn into a little rat or an octopus or hippopotamus, giraffe, or what have you. And the list keeps going on and on. The fourth thing you can click on is a monogram, and that's basically just going to be letters. All right, so we'll just leave the monogram there and hit done. And then hit continue. Now you notice the PS, please subscribe, is now there. And hit continue. Now let's say you want to do a search for a telephone number. So you just simply go here and you tap on the search. And then you tap the name of what you want to search for. And once you type the letters, it'll start to pop up. So please subscribe is there. And now you've found the telephone number to who you're trying to search for. Let's say you want to share this number with someone. Can you please send me the telephone number to such and such? Well, if you want to share a number, we would go and look for please subscribe, and we would go down to where it says share contact and tap on it. Now we hit done, and now a list of apps we could use to share with. We could share it via AirDrop, messages, mail, or we can click on it and even get more if we wanted to. But say we're going to do mail. So we click on mail, and then you type who you want to share it to. And then you push send, and you'll see that it's been sent off. So that's how you share it. So now the final thing that we're going to look at is how can you delete a contact? You delete a name. Perhaps the individual has changed his number and you need to delete it and you don't have his new number. You go to his name, then you tap on edit. And then you scroll all the way down until you see it says delete contact, and you tap delete contact. And then you tap delete contact. And now that contact has been deleted. So now you see how easy it is to either add contacts, to add a picture or a photo to a contact, or even how to delete and share a contact. All of this can be done from your iPhone or your iPad. Now, if you found this video to be beneficial, please give us a like, hit that subscribe button, but more importantly, comment. In the comment section, let me know. What type of videos would you like me to produce on this channel. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show, and I'll see you in my next video. Now, if you want to learn one more new thing, look at this video up here.